Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel.
Perfect.
This hair is from the Saria store on Amazon and comes in this packaging. It also comes with a crochet hook, 4 pieces of hair jewelry, and 2 clips. The hair is 28 inches. It is their soft locks and the color is M30. So it's like this brownish color, and then at the ends it's really brown, like a light brown. Again, 28 inches, so really long. The hair comes with 5 packs of hair, and in each pack is 21 strands for a total of 105 strands, and it's about $36. And the method I'm going to be using to crochet the hair is the individual crochet method. I've already braided my hair, as you can see. Looks like this. And I have about 70 braids in my head. I'm about halfway done my hair now. Just want to show you what it's looking like. Now I'm going to show you an example of how I've been crocheting the hair. So I take the braid I'm working on, I take the lock I'm using, I open it up with 1 or 2 fingers and put a finger through the hole, grab my crochet hook, I insert the hook at the start of the braid underneath it like that, then I hook on the lock, close the hook and pull it through like so. Then I unhook the crochet hook, I open it up with 1 or 2 fingers like this. I grab the braid in the lock and I pull them both through together. Then I tighten the loop and create a knot by pulling the lock in the braid like so. There we go. Now I take the crochet hook and I start a couple inches down the lock and I insert the crochet hook in the center of the lock and work my way upwards all the way to the top. And then I push the crochet hook through like so. I grab the braid and I attach it on the middle or end of the braid, and then I pull it through like so. Pull it all the way through. I scrunch up the lock and twist it, scrunch up the lock and twist it, scrunch up and twist, so that it covers the braid all the way, like so. And then I'm just going to repeat that step again. Now the braid is completely in the lock, and these locks are fairly easy to crochet this way, so it's easy to put the braids into these locks. So I'm finally done my hair, and it probably took me about 4 to 5 hours to crochet the locks into my braids, and that's about normal, I guess, for me. And I added some gold hair drawers to my locks. Two of the ones I added are the ones that came with the hair, so it was this one. And yeah, I think it looks nice. The hair is really long, and the hair didn't unravel that easily, but you could unravel it if you wanted to. Like this piece right here, for example, this lock could easily be unraveled. So as I was going through them, I was twisting them to tighten them on some of the locks, just to make sure that they wouldn't unravel or show any of my braids. But overall, the hair turned out really good, and I think it's cute. Definitely long. Doesn't feel too heavy, and the hair has this like sheen color to it, like shine to it, if you can see that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, and thanks for watching.